Wind. Sun. Natural resources are a constant and inexhaustible source of life, but above all, of energy. Because of this, the National Renewable Energy Center, Cener, was created in 2002 with the following objectives: to carry out R&D&I, applied research and development on demand, to provide technological advice and services both for industries and for public administrations and institutions. It is organized as a foundation, the Research Center for Energy, Environment and Technology, the Ministry of Industry, CIEMAT, and its trustees include the Ministry of Science and Innovation and the Government of Navarra. Cener has a staff of more than 200 people who work on technical projects all over the world, associated with 6 activity areas: wind energy, solar thermal energy and photovoltaic solar energy, bioclimatic architecture, biomass, and renewable energy grid integration. The Cener headquarters are a bioclimatic building located in the Ciudad de la Innovación, the city of innovation near Pamplona. This construction is precisely an excellent example of bioclimatic architecture, as the use of active and passive energy supply systems has been contemplated in its design to make its functioning as efficient as possible at the same time as being environmentally friendly. It houses modern laboratories and facilities that have been accredited according to the international regulation, as is the case of the Biomass Laboratory, mainly engaged in the characterization of raw material and obtaining biofuel, ethanol and biodiesel, and where thermal and electric applications are analyzed. A test laboratory for thermal solar collectors, where systems and components are assessed and characterized. In the case of the Thermal Solar Department, it also carries out modeling, simulation and design activities for high, medium and low temperature solar thermal collectors and concentrated solar power stations, in some cases adapting computer tools. A photovoltaic module test laboratory where prototypes are also assessed and tests are performed to provide quality certification according to international standards. In the photovoltaic cell processes and materials laboratory, assessment and characterization tests are conducted on cells, and production processes and technologies are analyzed. The activity of the Renewables Integration Department is focused on activities that are developed in 3 laboratories: electrochemical, integration of renewable energy and hydrogen, and electronics. Cener also has offices in other locations in Spain, as well as a wind turbine test laboratory, the only one of its kind in the world due to its size and the power of the machines it is able to test, and due to the broad and varied offer of technological services it provides. The Wind Turbine Test Laboratory, the LEA, is located in Sangüesa, Navarra, on a surface area of 30,000 square meters. Its main facilities include the Blade Test Laboratory and the Powertrain Test Laboratory, as well as the Compound Material and Process Laboratory. These infrastructures are completed with an experimental wind farm. In the wind sector, Cener also develops activities related to marine wind farms, known as offshore, in questions relating to the execution of wind maps, assessment and prediction of the resource, or analysis and design of wind turbines. The future plans of the National Renewable Energy Center include the development of an experimental second-generation biofuel plant. The installation of the thermochemical treatment of biomass has already started, and the design of the gasification and synthesis phases is well advanced. An investment of more than 75 million euros in cutting-edge technological infrastructures place Cener among the best technology centers of greatest renown, both on a national and international level. The concepts of environment, nature and above all respect for the surroundings are present in all the activities and projects of the daily work at the National Renewable Energy Center in Spain, an R&D&I technology center that is prepared to convert all the potentialities the renewable energies offer for our lives into a reality. energy of the present for the future.